Okay, guys, what's going on? It's your boy Marlon O, Bennett, guys. If you're watching this video, it's because it's after the holiday. I want to hope that all you guys had a great Memorial Day, guys, and I want to welcome you guys to the sixth and final installment of how to make money on the internet working from home on your computer. Okay. Uh, guys, this is the last installment. Hopefully, you guys have been following along. For those of you who finding me for the very first time, guys, you can see I've created a playlist so you guys can jump in here and get up to speed if you want to watch that particular little short YouTube video series that I put up. But anyway, guys, I'm excited, right? Because today I want to bring all the things that we talked about in the series together. And I want to bring them together in a very simple way that you guys can join with me today, guys. You can be a part of a great community that's going to enable you guys to go out there and start doing your own thing, okay? In the beginning of the series, guys, and throughout, I talked about marketing systems, being able to collect data, names, email addresses of potential prospects for your particular target audience. Your particular target audience in this instance is the 200,000 plus brand new people coming online every single day looking for ways to make money online. We talked about traffic and exposure for your marketing system, right? Eyeballs, getting yourself positioned in front of these people, right? And this is how you make money online, right? And finally, guys, some of the things that we talked about was this kind of exposure that you guys could or some of the techniques and tactics and strategies you could use actually for getting exposure, such as Facebook ads, YouTube videos, solo ads, Craigslist. The list goes on and on and on and on, guys. But anyway, that's what takes, making money online theory, right? Theory, uh, that's theory. Now today, guys, you're gonna have an actual opportunity to take making money online from theory to fruition, to actually being able to go out and bring all of these principles, right? All of this dynamic together, guys, because I'm prepared today to make available to you guys an actual done for you marketing system that has everything that we talked about throughout the series rolled into it. It is a complete done for you marketing system, guys. Let's take a snapshot. Let me give you guys a little bit of what you're going to be finding and what you're going to find here, guys. We're talking about the Viral Success Network. Okay. Now, in this particular instance, guys, we're talking about you becoming an affiliate here with us at VSN. Okay. I can tell you right now, guys, it's a $37.99 one-time investment. There will be no auto ships with this particular affiliate offer, guys, but you will make 50% commissions throughout this funnel. You guys are going to get to see that funnel in a few seconds if you haven't already. Anyway, we talked about the type of training that you guys really need to be immersing yourself in. Remember, guys, I said if you could develop, right, and nurture a particular skill set, if you could lay that foundation for learning some things you never knew, then ultimately you can go out here and do whatever it is you want to. But remember, I also said in the meantime, you could leverage, right, other people's success, other people's experience, other people's knowledge, techniques, tactics, and strategies. And that's exactly what you're in for today, guys, if you join with us here in the Viral Success Network. I'm not going to keep you guys very long because you guys, that's what we were talking about throughout the series, right? In order to do something, right, to make things come to fruition, it's about suiting up, right? It's getting on the diamond. Right? You got to put on a uniform if you want to play ball, guys. And so listen, once you're inside, guys, you're going to have a members area that looks exactly like the one you're looking at right now. Over here on the left, you're going to see, guys, we just walked you through everything, okay? You're going to be able to get done for you traffic. You're already going to have the actual marketing systems, and they're going to come in the form of about 7 capture pages that you're going to have at your disposal that you can start using the done for you traffic to pump into that marketing system to make it work, guys. Anyway, you'll get to see all of that stuff. Basically, it's 3 different steps you're going to be going through here, guys. You're going to activate your account. You're going to become an affiliate. You're going to complete that W-9 because that's how we're going to pay you. You're going to get in here, guys, and you're going to start immersing yourself into this training over here. And in the meantime, guys, we're going to give you some pages, some marketing systems. This is just one of several one of 8 to be exact, or one of 7 to be exact. You're gonna have a page just like this. In fact, it's the one I'm gonna redirect you guys to right now, so you will know exactly what your marketing system does, guys. Get on the inside, listen to the videos, and once you're in your members area, guys, get back here, dive into the training. Desmond does an incredible job of just explaining everything. I said in another video, the Facebook training inside of this members area alone is worth thousands of dollars. But we go further than that, guys. You got YouTube video marketing, a solo ad affiliate marketing, that done for you traffic here, guys. It's just a great community to be in. It's a great place to go and a great place to start if you're ready to take your money making online endeavors from theory into fruition, into reality. Okay, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this series. It's been fun, guys. Again, I'm going to leave the links to the actual playlist that I created right down here in the description area of this YouTube video, along with this link. So for you guys who are finding me for the very first time and you haven't seen it, sit back, guys, go get something cool to drink and watch this video and understand that today can be, you can make a life-changing decision, guys. And by the way, if you need me for anything, guys, and when you join, email me, right, at it's marlonobennett@gmail.com. Let me know you join, guys. Let me know if you need help doing anything at all, and I'll be here for you, okay? Anyway, guys, I got miles to go before I sleep, thousands of more videos to shoot. So I'm out of here, okay? And so probably by the middle of this week, guys, we're gonna be talking about some other things, I'm gonna be talking about the power lead system, guys. I'm gonna be talking about why I love it so much. I'm gonna be talking a little bit more about get response, that autoresponder, just having some fun, doing some great internet marketing training for you guys who are plugged in. P.S. And by the way, you guys, if this video has made any sense to you, if the series, you enjoyed the series, you like the series, it made sense, guys, please go ahead on, guys. Give me a big thumbs up on the video, right? And share this video with someone that you like, or someone in your particular circles of influence. Okay, so anyway, guys, my computer's just freezing up all over the place. I got to get out of here. I appreciate you guys being on the video so very, very much. As always, this is your boy Marlon O. Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.